Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia, term 1503 for CPM. This is our final project. Going through the rubric, we're going to show you basically what we did last week now on iOS. I have it running here in the simulator. As you can see, I went ahead and updated a little bit of theming. On my device, this looks exactly the same, but for some reason on here, it's looking a little different. As far as jumping to the rubric here, updating data, app allows the user to update restricted data on the parse server via customer user input. And then going into the excellent column, that we're doing more than 2 data types, and as well as it being automatic. So I will go ahead and show you that now, jumping over to the server. You can see everything is fresh and up to date with our 3 things here with our user specific ACL. There's only one user at the time, which is that current user, with all these memories specific to him. If we go ahead and edit one, say the 3rd test here, and make it edited, and we go ahead and save that information, it shows up here, and as well as here. Now it is edited, so that information is automatically updated and editable by the user. Data validation, app restricts user input based on the data accepted and all allowances. App condition good UI feedback. So for instance, if you just try to save a blank memory, you got this coming up here, something's wrong, please enter a title, CPM review, and we're doing that today. This is something that restricts the user from putting in anything other than a date, so that's another form of validation. And then obviously they can change that date if they wanted to, and it would automatically update that. And then also, again, if you didn't save the number of guests, please enter the number of guests here. Then you can save the events that are optional. So again, save that and wait a few seconds, and that will be updated automatically at an interval of 15 seconds at this point. So that is the data validation with the 2 different methods. Network detection, let's go ahead and see if this will work now. It wasn't working before with my simulator. We're going to turn off the Wi-Fi for my laptop here. And if we wait a few seconds, it should try to update, and it's going to tell us there it is. So it automatically tried to update. It says no available network memories will be synced with cache data. So that was using the local data store. And again, same thing as if we try to add anything here. New memory without network. We can save that. It says no available network memory will be saved locally and synced once the network is available. So we'll go ahead and do that. And that shows up there. If we go ahead and turn the network back on so we can quit getting these alert messages. And we'll go ahead and manually sync it now. For some reason it's not working on my simulator like it was on my iPad a minute ago. I'll try to debug that and give you an update on that with the network detection. Synchronization, all data synchronizes and displays between both platforms, which we've displayed previously on last week's video. A lot of these things were still there on the same application, and as long as the same user is logged in, they will see all the data. Displays both platforms. Backend service app checks for data updates via polling, which is what I demonstrated when it was off. It actually refreshes on an interval of 15 seconds. As far as the application UI, everything is pretty standard to the iOS platform. with the modal view controllers and the bar button items and things of that nature. So the UI is very understandable for the specific platform, and it fully implements the CRUD functionality. So with that, it's been a great month, and look forward to the few months we have left